Description: this quick-absorbing, moisture-enhancing face lotion hydrates and soothes normal to oily, acne-prone and sensitive skin with purifying ingredients that help repair moisture levels and reduce discolorations caused by breakouts. Benefits: reduce redness and blemishes while balancing the skin's natural oil production for a clearer complexion. Suggested use: apply a small amount every morning and evening after using cleanser and any PCA skin treatment serums. During the day, follow with broad-spectrum SPF. Top reviews from the United States. Great moisturizer. This is the best moisturizer for my skin. My skin is sensitive to fragrance and prone to breakouts. This moisturizer treats breakouts, prevents new ones, reduces redness and is also fragrance-free. Although the price is high, it is worth every penny. I would rather spend money on products that provide results than on junk that doesn't work.